I've just made up my way with Cassie to the Minjan River. It's very picturesque with grasslands, lots of birds. I was given a good tour around the flip-flop manufacturing factory, and I was showed all the processes to the manufacturing of flip-flops, which I found very interesting. So, to begin from stage one, they have the raw materials, which are usually either natural rubber that's come straight from the plantations, I guess. So from there they heat it all up and mix it together. So they put it in this machine that grinds it up and heats it up. And then they put it in these rollers, these big metal rollers that are very hot.
Yeah,
and they just spin it through the rollers again and again.
Yes.
Until it becomes very hot but also very mixed. From there they roll it more into very thin layers, each layer being around 1 millimeter thick.
Yeah.
And they just build up lots of these same shaped layers on top of each other. And then from there they actually stick these layers together depending on how thick they want the material to be for the flip-flop. So then they put them into the die cut machine, which is basically a guy or a woman holding a mold, and then a big presses down on that die cut to form the shape of the flip-flop. And that forms the sole of the flip-flop. So there's many different ways they can paint or put some kind of design on the flip-flops. We saw a silk printing factory. So what they do there is they have these, I guess, prints, and they go onto each pair of flip-flops and they paint a colour, and they just go up and down, paint the same colour on each one, and they change the colour until they have the finished print on the flip-flop base. From there, it depends on what you're putting on it, but they could drill holes in the flip-flop to then put the straps in. They can add brooches, any other kind of customizations required for the flip-flop, and then they package them up, put them into the cartons and ship them off. Is there anything I missed there?
No, but this is the simple flip-flops.
Okay.
This is the basic process.
Okay, yeah, so that's for the very basic flip-flop that you see in a lot of the havaianas, that kind of thing. And we've come for a feast now, and it's just the two of us eating.
We are ready to eat.
But Cassie has ordered a lot of dishes. So we have... Can you talk me through these dishes? So
It's beef.
beef,
This is pork.
sweet and sour.
Sweet pork.
Okay, sweet pork.
This is cabbage.
Cabbage. Okay.
This is fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Yeah.
Popcorn.
No, this is the soup.
Soup.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope Cassie's feeling hungry.